Hi, in this video we are going to learn how to cast an integer variable to a double. Starting out, let's create a integer variable, call it x, and we'll set it to something that is different from 18 here. Notice that 18 here is an integer, one of the counting numbers, and 18.0 is a double. It has a decimal point. Let's do 12. Notice that when we print this, we get 12 as an integer. Casting can change that 12 to a double. Let's change that. System out print. And we are going to cast it. So you put parentheses, type in double, move out of the parentheses, put in your variable, and save and run. There you go. The integer x is cast to a double. Thank you. Be sure to subscribe and like my videos.